What it do? It's your boy the 392 Soul 2 times, and I'm back with another video. I don't know what's wrong with this brightness. I gotta get this stuff figured out like ASAP. I'm driving right now. I can't fix it right now, but hopefully once I edit it, it look better than what it looked like on the camera. But I am on my way to PC Customs, going to pick up my car. My car been gone for a week. I miss my baby, man. It's been a good minute since I drove it. I can't wait to see the new look. I don't know if I'm putting the title either. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, so I'm not gonna tell y'all right now. But I'm excited to see it, man. But shout out to PC Customs for getting me right on this. And I got my bro YGF Official Music and Vlogs with me.
You know what it is, my brother.
Shout out to my bro, man, for coming with me, because he gotta take this car and I'm gonna take the Scatty, because I ain't had nobody else. Because Tay is already up there. So y'all probably gonna see her in this video. I don't know yet. But yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe to my bro too, YGF Official Music and Vlogs.
All love, all love.
That's the, like I said, that's the person that's in my outro, because a lot of people ask me what's the name of the song in my outro. I'm working on uploading a video, but I have to see if it goes through copywriting. I haven't tried uploading it yet. I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow since I got free time and stuff like that, so I'm probably gonna get it up tomorrow. If not, I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna post it somewhere to where y'all able to hear it and able to see it. But yeah, man, make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, turn notifications on so I won't miss a video. And I'll see y'all in Milwaukee. Let's go.
You can turn them off, leave it like that. Yeah. Then you can turn them on. Then you can turn them on. When you drive them, I don't think you have them on. Yeah, I ain't have them. Yeah, I know. I already know. Especially here, everyone. Yeah. I don't know Chicago, but over here. Yeah. Over here, bro.
I appreciate it.
Come on, bro. Anytime, man.
Look good, man.
You happy? You like it?
Yeah, I like it a
lot. Like a toy.
Yeah. That's a lot. Alright, y'all, I am back home, and y'all see this light show, man. Like, there's so many options I can go through. I'm gonna show y'all in a hot second. We was kind of in a rush to get back home. I don't know why my camera's so fuzzy. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I gotta get these settings fixed, but man, this thing looking mean real quick. Hold on, let me fix my camera real quick. Yes, sir. What you think, bro?
I like that, bro.
You like it?
That joint overwhelming.
It bring out the car.
Yeah, bro.
Like, imagine when the rap come, bro. It's literally, man, hold on, let me clean my camera.
There's so many different colors, bro.
There's so many options, bro.
Whoa.
Hold on. Take over the camera real quick.
Gotcha.
I gotta.
That joint's different, bro.
This is literally what we meant by there's so many options. Like, y'all see that, right? Touch on. Look, I can literally play with I can do any color, any setting I want to. If I want to go from green to red, I can go from green to red. All I gotta do is put in that color. Like, I can literally do anything. Man, it's gonna be a fun summer. Like, looking at it, like, the camera do no justice. You have to see this in person, because I was looking at RGB videos and the camera was not doing no justice. I had to really do this in person, but man, it's really like setting it off and going crazy. And especially the way I'ma go, I think I'm gonna do it different from what everybody else do. So yeah, man, I can go simple if I want to. I can do anything. This is probably my favorite one. I don't know why. It's just like, I don't know. And my grill is coming. I ordered my grill 2 days ago, so it'll be here sometime next week. And all I gotta do is get the underglow, and then I'll be ready. Stars and roof, obviously, that's coming next year. I'm not, like I said, I'm not in a rush, y'all. I'm in a rush, but I'm not in a rush. I'll be having most of this stuff done before car show. I'm getting the rims in April, mounting up in April, man. So, like I said, I'm just starting this build now while it's cold. You know, because shops finna start getting busy and stuff. But y'all see all these colors though, man. In the comment section, I know I'm going fast, but let me know what's y'all favorite color or what's y'all favorite mode I was doing. I like that one too.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one we was talking about. Yep.
Yeah. It's like Spider-Man. Yeah, man, I can't wait to sell it back. I feel like I don't even need to do no more, like, honestly, bro. Like, I feel like I did everything, bro. Like, for real. But I can go red. I can go solid red. Posting that hood on. My bad. Go any color, y'all. Any color. That blue is beautiful too.
That one smacking.
Remember that picture I showed y'all? That older video? Yeah. Definitely. I don't know what's going on. There we go. It's acting a little slow today. So I can literally do any color, y'all. But it is cold out here, man. Shoot, I just wanted to, you know, show y'all. Let's get in the car. We finna go, bro. We finna lock up. I can car up and we finna bounce, bro. And take you to your car. But I am very, very, very happy with the outcome. Shout out to PC Customs for the lighting and all that. You turn the car off? No. You turn the car off and stuff and then just get in the car. Cause I'm not finna sit out here. But, oh, hold on. There you go. Make sure. Oh, I changed my Instagram, y'all. It's Swervo2X _ because a lot of people was getting confused. So I did want to change that. But oh, I'm very, 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 very satisfied with the outcome, and it just brings out the car a lot more. And I feel like I don't need to put no more lightning, but y'all know I'm gonna go all out with the lightning. The lightning, I already like the lightning harder than the Camaro. The Camaro had the underglow, the wheel rings. What else did it have? Camaro had everything besides the headlights. And just the headlights itself right now, which is killing the game right now. So I really like that. Yeah, man, I just excited, man, honestly. But I'm gonna try to get one more clip in for y'all. If not, make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, turn on notifications on so y'all won't miss a video. Go subscribe to my brother YGF Official Music and Vlogs. And I don't know why this camera is so dark, but I'm out, man. Peace.
I close my eyes at night praying up to God. They ain't want me to win, so I have to beat the odds. I'm trying to duck the bullshit so I can stay alive. I'm from a region where
yeah, and I'm gonna just keep it. I'm gonna do it like 30 seconds.
Alright, bet. Here we go.